Hello, our happy Dolly. Happy Sunday all. We're hoping everyone had a good weekend. We did smash that cake and ate it. Yes, we did. I'm sending a big happy birthday out to a very, 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 very beautiful person. Happy birthday, my beautiful mama. Love you. Hey, Dolly, do you want to say hello? Say hello, good people. Oh, what was that? We both heard that. Don't know what that was. Hey, what was that, Dolly? Peekaboo. Oh, what's under there? What you hiding under there, Dolly? Hey, you got a cigar or something under there? Oh, you're such a good girl. Keeping yourself nice and clean, aren't you? Yeah, she loves the mist bottle because it's getting hot now. We have a little bottle and it's a squirt bottle, but it's not, doesn't squirt direct, like heavy water at her. It's that mist. And oh, she absolutely loves it. I go, spray, just before I spray it. Hello, Dolly. Yes, you are. You are a pretty girl. You say hello to the good people? Oh, peekaboo. Peekaboo. I see you. Oh, more noises. See these sorts of noises we hear around and there's no, it's just... Hello, darling. Houses creak and moan and groan and sort of with the weather and it's, you know. So, yeah. Just because some people... I'm just saying that I'm just being skeptical. Your nanny's just talking a bit silly. Peekaboo. Peekaboo behind the camera. Look, here I am. Oh, what you... Oh, no, back to the TV. TV is good, hey. And good people in there. Oh, we're watching, oh, I see what we're watching. Yeah. It's the aeroplane above the clouds. I think it's... Oh, guys, just see. What are you watching, Dolly? We are watching on TV. I'll have to... Oh, sorry, Dolly. Oh, air crash investigations is what you're watching, Dolly. Yeah. Is that good? What you do, airplane? So guys, she does like a TV. Like if I go somewhere or whatever and her mummy's asleep, like now, because I'm up late, Dolly likes to stay up a little bit late with me, and we do enjoy a little nightly moment together. We have a couple of hours together. Hey, Dolly. Most nights? Yeah. Of course, I always have to feed you because you'll only let me feed you. You'll bite your mummy, won't you? It's weird that how she has roles for me and her mum. You know, I'm the allocated change the seed and fresh seed and water lady, as well as nanny. Who loves to talk with Dolly. Hey, we have good conversations sometimes. Oh, you're going to show your beautiful feathers? Oh, wow. Yeah, beautiful blue on the inside. You're having a nice clean, Dolly. You're always doing that. So, yeah, so before I spray the mist on her, I go, spray. And she sort of waits for it because she loves it. It's like I said, it's mist. And it's, you know, water. For it's obviously water not from a tap. Sorry, yeah, like we spray some lovely bottled water in her face, and well, not in her face, just at her, because like I said, it comes out as a mist. It doesn't like splat in her face, and she just loves it, of course. The birds are sort of kind of waterproof. Well, you know what I mean. If they weren't, they'd sort of get wet and sort of get like a fall out of the sky. Oh dear. So yeah, she loves them. Oh, and sometimes, yeah, I'll change the water. Obviously, you know, oh, not sometimes, but I'll change the water, and she'll love to chuck her head in and have a good wash, and very cute stuff. Anyway, Dolly, I'm gonna go now. We're gonna go. Yeah? Would you like to say goodbye to the good people? Dolly? Dolly? You want to say goodbye to the good people? She has been playing with her toy today, haven't you? You've been pulling out the paper. Lots of fun. Lots of fun for a bird. Yeah, it's a bird's life. Okay, Dolly. I love you. And I know you want to say good night, good people. Oh, you made me out to be a liar. Oh, you want to be like cranky for a minute. Okay. Okay. This is why I'm pretty sure she's picking up you okay. Because I say that a lot. What's up? You okay, Dolly? Everything good? She's like, shut up and cover me up and let me go to sleep. Not really. Okay, guys. Well, it doesn't look as though Dolly wants to talk much. Oh, see? Oh, you are good birds. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yeah, the good people like to say hello, Dolly. Ah. Yeah, you are a pretty girl, and you are a bird. It's cute how you say, I'm a bird. You should be very proud of that. Like, you know, how awesome. Well, you did sort of say goodnight, so I won't drag it on, Dolly. Like, I'll probably I'll probably stop this video now, and then she may talk for another 10 minutes. So, yeah, Dolly, because you do like to have talks and breaks in between. Like, yeah. It's not as if she just stands there and talks all day. She has a little life there and a routine, and yeah. And of course her TV that she loves. And she loves to watch her mum gaming. I mean, she really does. It's really funny how she just loves it. Well, she hasn't complained anyway. Okay. Well, you... Yeah, that's right, Tommy. You have got a lot to say, haven't you, Dolly? You're very good at your second language. I mean, I can't even speak it. I can speak a little bit of Japanese. Yeah. Okay, guys, it looks like Dolly's finished talking for the night. You watch this. Alright, goodbye, guys. Night night. And see if she thinks I've... Nah, she's not going to talk anymore. Okay, guys. Well, oh, shit. It's been over 10 minutes. So I'll go. And love you all. And take care. Be kind. And stay safe out there. And I love you all. Bye for now.